Morning guys, I'm Anthony Perez. We are here at Marina Cap Cana with Capitan Manuel. We're gonna go now for a fishing day at Cap Cana area in Punta Cana. We're gonna go for white marlins, mahi, wahoo, whatever is out there. Let's see how it's going. We are in a 42 Bertrand, La Pescadora, and we're gonna go right now pick up our guest for today, which is Mr. Ben Medina from Texas, and another two anglers to go with us. Let's see what's going on. The mahi, Ben Medina from Texas, is fighting with a light tackle. Capitan, what line we are using today? ¿Qué línea estamos usando, Capitán? 20 pounds line. There is a mahi jumping already. At least we have the ceviche today. Beautiful yellowfin tuna, guys. 30 pounder. Look at that, guys. Enseñala aquí, loco. Awesome. I still don't know what we have down there. Ben is fighting right now. For white marlin, we're gonna do a catch and release. We try to
hurry.
We got right now a marlin after 1 hour and 30 minutes looking for it. We have another marlin right now in the line. Another marlin. Suave, suave, Capi. Que ya está cogido. Ya está aquí. Se pió. Sigue ahí. ¡Ay! Ok, ahí. Fíjate ahí.